In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Figma buttons interactive. We'll take a static button and quickly give it responsive behavior using a simple plugin, keeping everything clear and easy to follow. Start by heading to the Figma website in your browser and opening the file or page where your button lives. Make sure you're on the correct canvas and can see the button you want to enhance. It can be a simple rectangle with text, a group, or even a component. The approach works the same. If anything is locked, unlock it so the plugin can access the layer. Next, open the Actions menu in Figma and choose Plugins. This is where you can search and run helpful tools made by the community to speed up repetitive work and ensure consistency across your designs. In the search field, type Interaction Buttons, then select Smart Button Generator from the results. This plugin is built to set up typical button states like default, hover, and pressed, so you don't have to wire them manually. It helps maintain uniform interactions and styles across your project. Click Run to launch the plugin. A small panel will appear. Before you generate anything, select the exact button layer on your canvas that you want to modify. The plugin needs this selection to know which element to work on. If your button includes a background shape and a text label, keep them grouped or organized as a component so the states stay aligned and the text remains centered as styles change. With your button selected, click Generate in the plugin panel. The plugin will create the interaction states for that button and set up the behavior so it responds on hover and click. This saves time and reduces errors, especially when you're building a design system or working on multiple screens. If the plugin doesn't run, double-check that a single clear button layer is selected and try Generate again. A few tips to keep things clean and scalable. Give your button a clear name before you run the plugin so the generated states are easy to recognize. If you plan to reuse the button across many frames, convert it to a component first and then run the plugin on the main component. That way, all instances inherit the interactions. If you're using auto layout, keep your padding and alignment set so text changes won't break your layout. After generation, you can fine-tune colors, shadows, and timing directly on the states that the plugin created. Your interactions will remain intact. And that's it. You just used Smart Button Generator to make your Figma button interactive with a few clicks, keeping your design consistent, efficient, and ready for user flows.